All right, I don't know what I'm doing. I have to do some computer backups. I worked out today. I was trying to set up a guest network for my neighbor, but it just wouldn't work. So, or no, my down there neighbor that's helping me with painting. I don't know what video. I guess this will be included in some videos. I didn't even record him painting, but I'm always so overwhelmed with all the stuff I have to do, but I guess just keep chipping away little by little. I want just my office to be done, my gym to be done, and just not have anything to do. But we're going on, how long has it been since I moved here? Like 3 months already? We're getting there, I guess. But I have to do computer backups, at least just a little bit of them, maybe not full, because I haven't done those in a couple months. And I'm just like completely disregarding all this court stuff. But then I have to go to Home Depot to pick up paint because I'll show you guys down here what he ended up working on yesterday. The kitchen closet, I took out the shelves in there and somehow he used, wrong switch. Somehow he used like half a gallon of paint, 3/4 of a gallon of paint. And I guess this is just one coat. I wish he didn't touch the ceilings. I have to remind him not to do that because that means then we have to paint the ceiling so we don't have those splotches on there. And I took out the shelves. I have to go to Home Depot to buy more paint though. I took out the shelves and I also have to get clear coat for the shelves. I'm not gonna paint them even though I don't like this wood color. I'm not gonna paint them. Also, I numbered all of them so I know the order that they go in, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because they're kind of tight in there and they probably have to go in order. And then the bathroom closet. Oh, this is the other thing. Man, this kid is like the messiest painter. Like, look at all this paint that he got on this mat and all on my new tiles, but it's okay because it'll come up fairly easily. Hopefully, I think on the bathroom, I might have to get my drill and scrub brush in the bathroom for the paint that he got on there because he got on the tile but just did like a crappy job of wiping it off. So I can't just like pick it off like that. Yeah, I don't know how bad it looks on camera, but it's okay. Another coat will work. I wanted to try to do this last night, but I got preoccupied. And then we also have to do this trim here that he missed. And then with me, I took out the shelves there. I took out the shelves in that closet. So that closet has to be painted still. I touched up all the other stuff here, but computer backup time right now. And then I have to shower and then Home Depot. I need to eat at some point. Like, this is the thing that sucks about being so busy is I don't eat after I work out because, well, one thing, eating makes me like tired and I don't want to work, but I don't cook when I'm this busy. I go out to eat at like Burger King or whatever. All right, backup time. Update all these computers and do backups. Just running the GPU driver updates on some computers and enabling and running some scripts to back up to my NAS. And we got some sweet caffeine protein, 30 grams of protein, 1 cup of coffee. I don't really like caffeine, but we got it. It's more about just trying different flavors of these drinks. Okay, all that's done. Now time to get in the shower. We'll see how that's its own process. 107 right now. It's not as fast as you may think. All right, so half an hour to shower. I shave my face. That's about it. I put this stuff on to try to fix my fingernail, and I have to let it dry, so I have to wait like 10 minutes before I put sock on. This is only like a little bit bad. This is probably two MIs, but yeah, so I gotta wait 10 minutes and then I can get dressed and go to Home Depot. Before I leave, I just came up with the awesome way because I'm always switching cameras. Like right now I'm using my GoPro. Before I was using this, and it always sucks because I have to go through all the video footage to find clips in and put them in order. I was just doing GoPro sort and GH5 sort, and I would have to sort through all of them to put them in chronological order. But now I have this new way. So whenever I switch cameras, well, this will be folder number 1. So everything from there goes into folder number 1. And then next, this camera will be folder number 2 because all this is getting recorded after that camera. And then I'll just keep doing that. And then when I go put everything in the timeline, just do everything in order. I'd have to edit videos. I don't even have any videos to edit. I have some like footage that, oh no, I have one video that I can edit, but I have footage. I don't have footage for videos. I think, yeah, maybe this weekend I'll edit. I have to wash my car. That's been like a whole thing that I've been putting off for a couple weeks. All right, Home Depot. Actually, I guess I should make sure that Home Depot has the paint in stock. All right, yep, they have 25 in stock. And I ordered a Sun Pass, which is like the toll thing for here, because it cost me like, apparently going to Home Depot either cost me 45 cents or 85 cents each way. I forget which one it is, but it cost me, oh, I should get ND filters for this, but it cost me money each way in tolls. And each month there's a $2.50 administration fee to pay the bill. So with the Sun Pass, I'll save that per month, and I have like $45 on it, but I have to wait to get it in the mail. But, oh yeah, Wendy's. We're gonna get Wendy's, get some double cheeseburgers with bacon, and, oh, my water bottle too. And 10 chicken nuggets. Gotta fill up this water bottle. Everywhere has shortages. Oh, you can see me all right. Like the Burger King I was at yesterday, I don't know if I told you guys, but they were all out of burgers. And then the this Wendy's is all out of change. So are we being cut off? Supplies cut off for the Republicans? I don't know. Yeah, so it cost me 85 cents each way for the tolls here, but with Sun Pass it's 60 cents each way, and then no $2.50 administration fee. But it really is cheaper to just order the stuff that I need online, because there's free shipping. So it's cheaper, because even though the prices are the same in Home Depot, I'm paying an extra $1.20, $1.70 to go out here, plus the administration fee. But this is just two things that I needed ASAP that I couldn't order online, so, you know. All right, I made it home. No GPS needed. Was I talking about that in this video? Who knows? May have been on my Instagram story. I got my paint, and I got my clear coat. I dropped one of them when I was pulling out of my house, out of my car, when I was getting them out of my car. And I also got this weathered gray stain for the office closet door. Hopefully it looks good. There's like a bunch of different gray colors in the store, and I'm just like, oh, I kind of want to buy this while I'm here, so I have it. This way I can just stain the door and put it back up right there. So, because that's why I'm waiting to put it back up, is to stain the old girl. I should probably sand it. I wanted to sand it too. No, I'll leave it. Right now I'm taking out all the screws for these brackets so that I can clear coat them. It's turning into, I can't get the electric drill on these middle ones, but it's turning into such a huge job for just a closet that I just wanted to paint white. I have to do all this other stuff because while it's out, while I have this stuff out, I might as well clear coat them. But I can't wait, because once this is done, I'm jumping in the pool, which you can't see because it's so bright out there. It's actually not too bright. Well, no, the sun is out right now, but pool's perfect. Well, the pH is at 8, which is a little bit high, but other than that, all the chemicals are right. All right, I don't have I have rollers. I don't have cardboard boxes to put the rest of these on. So I might have to do this in two times, or, well, what's gonna go on? I'm gonna roll these. I'm gonna use a roller because it'll give me a smoother finish on top and be faster than a brush. And then I guess a brush for the sides. But I don't want the the polyurethane to dry on the roller while I'm waiting for this to dry, but I guess it's gonna happen anyway because I'm like, oh, I'll polyurethane these, and then once they dry, I'll flip them over, polyurethane the underside of them, but then in between that time, it's gonna dry on my roller, and then take them off, put these ones on, polyurethane them, wait for them to dry, flip them over. So that's 3 chances of the stuff drying on the roller. But the rollers are cheap enough. I just don't want to go out and get more of them. I do have 2 new ones, and then I have 3 used ones. One that is wet already that needs to be cleaned, and then 2 in reserve that I can use. Let's just do it, see what happens, because I don't have any other choice. Well, that's one coat. It's actually a milky white stuff. You can see it there, really. You can see it there. And it goes on milky white like this spot that I should smooth out before it dries like that. And it should be dry in like a couple seconds or whatever to put a second coat on. And I'm not gonna go crazy. Did I get high gloss or satin? I think I got satin. I'm not gonna go crazy with putting a ton of coats on and getting these super glossy. I have shelves. I didn't bring them with me, but I have shelves that I spent like 2 days on polyurethaning them and then sanding them and buffing them and polishing them to get them super glossy and smooth. Yeah, these are just closet shelves that go in a closet. We're not gonna do that.